Now I'm going to show you how to connect the OSI Mini alarm system to your Wi-Fi and the Smart Life app. In this tutorial, I'm using an Android phone. If you're using an iPhone or an iPad, check out the tutorial for iOS in the description of this video. Also, please note, you should already have had the Smart Life app installed on your smartphone or tablet and the Smart Life account set up. Also, please make sure you're near an electrical outlet and you have the OSI Mini Hub with you. Okay, let's begin. First, open the Smart Life app. Now, plug in the OSI Mini Hub into an electrical outlet. The LED status indicator will appear a solid green and a voice prompt will say,
"Welcome, use the smart voice alarm device."
As soon as the voice prompt is complete, immediately hold down the function button on the side of the alarm hub for approximately 5 seconds until you hear a voice prompt say,
"Please use the Smart Life app for the Wi-Fi configuration."
Once you hear this, the LED status indicator will be quickly flashing green. This means the alarm hub is now ready for connecting to your Wi-Fi in smart mode. But since we want to connect your Wi-Fi in AP mode or access point mode, we'll need to quickly press the function button again. So let's press the function button once. You will then hear the exact same vocal prompt say,
"Please use the Smart Life app for the Wi-Fi configuration."
And now the LED status indicator will be slowly flashing green. This means the alarm hub is now ready for connecting to your Wi-Fi in AP mode. From this point on, you'll need to go through the rest of the steps on your Smart Life app quickly before it times out. Now in the Smart Life app, please select the blue plus icon on the top right corner. Then select Add Device. Then select Sensors. Select Alarm Wi-Fi. It will now ask you to select 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network and enter your Wi-Fi network password. If you have a Wi-Fi booster, please select your Wi-Fi booster instead. Now press Next. If this message pops up, just ignore it and select Carry On. If the LED status indicator is still blinking slowly, then select the blue button that says Confirm the indicator is blinking. Select Blink Slowly. Now before you select the blue button that says Go to Connect, keep aware that once you do, you will be looking for a Wi-Fi network that says Smart Life with a dash followed by 4 letters and numbers as you see on the sample shown here. Now let's press the blue button that says Go to Connect. You are now on the phone's network selection page. Wait a few seconds until you see the Smart Life network show up. Once you see the Smart Life network show up, please select it. It should now show up as your current network. A message may appear saying internet may not be available and will seem like nothing is happening. Please ignore this message and press the back button to take you back to the Smart Life app. Within seconds, you should hear a vocal prompt on the OSI Alarm Hub say,
"Wi-Fi connected,"
which means the OSI Alarm Hub device is now officially connected to your Wi-Fi and is now loaded onto your Smart Life app. Let's do a quick test and select Away on the Smart Life app. Away means you're arming the system and leaving the house. Once pressed, a vocal prompt on the Alarm Hub will say System Armed, and the LED status indicator will be slowly flashing orange.
"System armed."
Let's now disarm the alarm system by pressing the button that says Disarmed.
"System disarmed."
The LED status indicator should now be back to a solid green. Now let's quickly test the siren by pressing the SOS button. Once pressed, the siren should immediately turn on. To turn it off, press the alarm remove button.
"System disarmed."
And now your OSI Wi-Fi mini alarm system is connected to your 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network.
Well, we hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please give us a big thumbs up. If you have any questions, just drop us a comment below. And if you want to see more videos, don't forget to subscribe. All the products that you see on our channel are available with free shipping at OSI